Now, it's a 1969 Roadrunner that I restored probably, to be honest with you, I can't tell you. Probably 6 years ago, maybe more. I can't remember. It's been a long time. It's been sitting there trying to get this fuel and all cleaned out of it. I mean, you can see, look at the tires where it's been sitting. I don't really like the wheels, but whatever. You can see I put it all together. Old brand new front end. I put the motor in from the bottom. Disc brakes all the way around. Whole new floor pans, just all brand new, everything. Dyna 60 disc brakes. I wish it was off on the ground, but